How to make Keto Venezuelan Chicken Salad. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 8-ounce canned chicken breast, 1 medium avocado, pitted and cubed, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half medium red bell pepper, diced, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped, 1/4 half teaspoon cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, to taste. The preparation: 1. Cook chicken breast on a stovetop and shred the meat. 2. Add all ingredients to a bowl and mix together gently to combine chicken with oil and avocado pieces. 3. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Venezuelan Chicken Salad. Each serving comes out to be 526 calories, 40.3 grams fats, 4.7 grams net carbs, and 31 grams protein. If you would like to get a free keto cookbook for healthy weight loss, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.